Let's pop the hood.
Alright, so as y'all saw in last week's video, we got this one in. So figure I'd do a continuance on this one. We got all the parts in except for the washer reservoir. And as you saw in the previous clip, we got the bumper painted. So my guy's gonna build a bumper. Hopefully the washer reservoir gets here today, so we can get this one completed today and turned in by tomorrow morning. See y'all as progress continues. All right, YouTube. Yeah, I remember this one was supposed to get progress last week, so y'all see where we at now. Everything test fitted, everything's lining up. We about to do the welding process now. So what I do is I continue this one to next week, and I'll catch you guys up from footage from how we got to this point, and then finishing on out from this point until it's cleaned up, detailed, and ready to go. So we'll continue this one next week. Stay tuned. But it's been a week since the last video. It's Wednesday the 12th. We got this one going to paint today. The star of the video, the Rogue, it would have been back together yesterday, but the dealer delivered the wrong part. I'll show you guys the part. This one is going to paint today. And we're gonna keep on rolling. Guys, this is the part that they sent us for the Rogue, that's holding the Rogue up. They sent us a left-hand part when you guys know, you've been watching the videos, that the right hand is damaged. So let's see if it says it on here. Well, it's on the part. See, we got a left-hand part when we need a right-hand part. The estimate said right hand, they just delivered a left hand. So once we get this swapped out today, we can get the Rogue back together and get it delivered. So guess what, guys? They just brought me my new part. I just opened it. Y'all remember on the last, it didn't say Elite on it. New part. But guess what? Still left hand. They keep delivering the wrong damn part, man. There we go. Finally got the right part. All right, let's get this Rogue back together. right, YouTube, we've done our part. We got it out front just in case the windshield people don't come. This particular fleet account got its own windshield people that comes out and do them. So they supposed to be here this afternoon. If they show up, I'll record it. If they don't show up, they just told us to deliver the truck and they'll get it replaced on their lot. So we'll see. This might be the end. Or if they show up, you know, of course I record them doing the windshield. So we'll see.